Okay, advanced band, welcome back to the second semester, and we're just going to keep trucking along in our little happy world here of Zoom. Thank you for hanging in there and giving this your best dedication and your self-motivation. So this is going to be rhythm sheet number 1. Stay tuned in the next couple weeks. You'll probably have a little flip grid on one of these or two of these lines. And listen to directions. I'm going to make every line a little bit different note, and always remember to play along with the metronome. Practice with this. This is why it's here. All right, and let's do line 1 on the first note of your B flat scale. Let's make it easy. All right, here we go. And watch your triplets there. In the second measure, there's a set of triplets. That's an 8th note triplet. Here we go. First note of your B flat concert scale. 1, 2, line 1 and so that one is pretty tricky. I'm going to do it again. Make sure you don't rush the triplets. And let's try it one more time. Line 1. 1, 2, line 1 and go. Good. Now line 2, going to play it on the second note of your scale, B flat concert. Remember your full values, and this is a little bit of syncopation, which means upbeat syncopation. Line 2, second note. 1, 2, second note, and go. It's a little tricky there. Line 3, the third note of your scale. There's syncopation here too. Full value on that quarter note. Line 3, third note. And 1, 2, line 3, and go. Good. Not too hard there. Let me do line 3 again for you. 1, 2, line 3 again. Good. Now my metronome is set at 90 beats per minute, and I'm actually using one online. That's free. So you can goose it up or goose it down, whatever you want to do. And line 4, that's getting trickier. Line 4, the fourth note of your scale. Watch the syncopation. And 1, 2, line 4, and watch those staccatos, right? Line 4 again, it's really tricky, I'm not gonna lie. Line 4, 1, 2, line 4, and go. All right, and line 5. And remember, this is what Mr. Delgado taught us, guys, right? The 1 and a 2, 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and 3, 4. So watch those 1 andas. How about the fifth note of your scale? 1, 2, fifth note, and go. Make sure that last note gets 5 beats, right? Make sure that gets 5 beats. And we're on line 6 now. So line 6, if you notice, is in 3/8. We are going to pretend this song is slow. And so we're going to count it in 3. 3 beats per measure. The 8th note gets the beat, gets 1 beat. That's why the 8 is at the bottom. The bottom number of a key signature, or sorry, time signature means what type of note gets 1 count, 1 beat. So the 8th note gets 1 beat. If you forget about all that, you can just double up what notes usually get. So a quarter note now gets 2 beats, an 8th note gets 1 beat. Dotted quarter note normally gets 1.5. I hope you remember that. You are advanced band. So 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3 counts. So a dotted quarter note gets 3 counts now. So just double everything up. So line 6, again, it's great to print these out and write in the counting, that would be wonderful, because if it was in class right now, we would be doing that. You would be writing your counting on your paper. So here's line 6. Let's do a tuning note. Line 6. 3 counts. 1, ready, go. All right, now line 7, if you notice, line 7 is in 6/8. And the 8th notes are beamed together by 3. It'll make more sense in the next couple months when we learn 6/8 fast in 2. But for right now, it's going to be 6 counts per measure. And each one of those 8th notes gets 1 count. Here we go. And tuning note one more time. Line 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Line 8. Ooh, I need to take a bigger breath there. Shame on me. Here we go. Line 8. I'm going to goose up the tempo a little bit faster. Let's do 106 maybe. All right. So number 8. Still in 6/8. Dotted quarter note gets 3 counts. Here we go. Wait for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Line 9, we're back to 4/4. And I'll leave it at this fast tempo because this shouldn't be too hard. The only thing I tried to trick you with was the legato long and the staccato short. And then I put some of the stems down to kind of confuse you a little bit, but this should be pretty easy. Here we go. Last line. Tuning note. 1, 2, ready, go. And good, happy practicing, and you can, try make it fun, and you can go up and down the scale on every measure if you want to make it a little bit trickier, or you can go faster. All right, so happy practicing. Thanks, and again, hang in there. Thank you. Bye-bye.